doors. I'm gonna go work out. Ah, holy shit! Oh! Ah! Doors! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Welcome to Massage World.
I need to see Carol. I threw my back out.
I'm sorry, sir. Carol's not in today, but we do have someone else.
I don't care. Anybody.
Right this way.
You got it.
Hello, my name's Josephine. How are you doing today, Mr. Sphincter?
No, it's sphincter.
No, Sphincter.
No, sphincter.
No, sphincter.
No, get it right, lady.
All right, asshole.
What?
All right, I'm just going to put on my gear because this is going to be a rough session here at Massage World. All righty. Y'all set?
Oh. Oh my God, I really need a massage. Oh.
How you doing, Mr. Sphincter?
Oh, my back.
Are we having troubles here?
Yes.
Let me scoot over now. All right, now we're going to just get up now.
What are you doing?
Oh, Mr. Sphincter, do you shave those legs?
No. What are you doing down there? Just work on my back.
Oh, all right.
Back is killing me.
All right, just
Ah.
flip on over now. Nice gluteus maximus you got there. Your wife must be real proud. Now, I'm just going to hop right on up here. Now, this is one of my favorite moves. This is called reverse gravitational
What are you
pull.
doing?
Ready?
Ah.
Now, pull now. Pull now.
My
You
back.
just got it, sir.
You
I
need
can
me.
really feel
Ah.
that those glutes are working now. I think we're in a reverse position here.
How the hell did I get myself into this?
Are you ready for the next exercise, Mr. Sphincter?
What exercise? I'm done. And my name ain't Sphincter, it's Sphincter.
Okay.
Sphincter!
Now, the
What the hell
next
you doing?
exercise is one of my other favorites. Now,
Ah,
come on now.
ah.
We're just going to work
Ah.
those back. Look, it's
What-
working all
what are
these
you
muscles
doing?
right here. Oh, my,
Ah.
you got a massive mass on your back. Is that
What are you doing?
cancerous? You got to get that checked out, Mr. Sphincter.
No.
Wake up, Mr. Sphincter. We're not done yet.
Oh.
And now for our final exercise.
What?
Now, this is just my